So today I'm going to teach you how to navigate from place to place with these buttons. So let's say you guys are at Fun Stuff today and you've chosen a game. Most of your links are going to open into a new tab. So all of our links are organized by category. Let's say you decided you wanted to go to the San Diego Zoo Kids website. So I've gone to the San Diego Kids Zoo and I wanted to find out more about butterflies. So I click on arthropods and I find some cool things about some different arthropods. So let's say I've learned all I want to know about butterflies. I've looked at all this information and I want to go back and find out more about bees. I don't have to close this tab and go all the way back to the beginning. There are some buttons up here in the corner that I can use. This arrow right here that points to the left is the back arrow. The back arrow, if I click on it, will take me back to the page that I was on before that. If I want to go back to the very first page, I can click it again. You can use the back arrow to go as far back as you have been in that tab. If you need to go forward again, you can use the right arrow, and that's the forward arrow. So now, let's say I've chosen a game, and my game is not loading the way that I want it to. There's a couple of things that you can do before you raise your hand and ask for help. Sometimes if something is not loading correctly, you can refresh the page. To refresh the page, we're going to come up here to the corner and we're going to find the circle with the arrow with it. And then when you click on that, that will load the page again. And a lot of times that will fix whatever your problem was with your game. If it doesn't, then that's when you can raise your hand and get some help. If you need to go all the way back to the lab page and you've lost this tab, if you click on the little house, it's going to take you home. And home is always going to be our lab page. And now you're back to the menu where you can see all the grade levels. And you can click on your grade level. There's a couple of more things I want to show you on our lab page before we're done today. One is I want to remind you how to close a tab. So if you're in lesson number 2 and you have gone to play Fruit Splat Addition and you decide that, hey, I've practiced my addition facts, now I'm going to go back and practice some subtraction. To close this tab, you're going to take your mouse up to the top. You're going to put your pointer over the gray X and see it turns red and you see the word close pop up. When I click on that X, it's going to take me back to the page that I was on before. If I'm completely finished and it's time to leave, I can go over here and I call this our stoplight because it's got green, yellow, and red. And I can click on the red light here and it will close all the pages. A couple more links that you may want to be using on your toolbar that I'll show you real quick. This up here at the top, this is our Bookmarks bar. It has all kinds of bookmarks of places that we're going to be going to. The blue W is always going to take you to your lab homepage. There's the little mouse for ABC Mouse. We've got Google Classroom, which you'll be using more in 2nd grade, Splash Math, Classworks, Typetastic, which has all of our fun typing games, and then Extra Math and Math games we won't be using quite yet, and then Typing Club. And you guys will be learning how to use Typing Club in the next few weeks. And then we also still have Teacher Monster. And you all can get into Teacher Monster just like we did last year by clicking on the little Monster tab or bookmark and then typing in your first name. So now I want you guys to practice using your Chrome browser today. When we go places, I want you to practice using the back button, the forward button. If you have a problem, I want you to try to refresh or reload the page and practice opening and closing your tabs. All right, guys, good luck.